Futuristic concrete pouring head erect multi-layered concrete wall. Tractor dragged tool smoothly dewater dripping trench. Wild grass on walkway shoulder gets automatically mowed. Mechanically moved vegetables get chopped by sharp blades grillage. Heavy-duty jaws harvest grapes with neatness and delicacy. Red turnips are harvested and sent up a belt for packaging. Amazingly steerable autonomous torch head weld with perfection. Rotating cutter disc head shear off rocks into stones. Tidy neat slices gets invariably cut on meat processing line. Cutting jaw consistently prune grape trees. Multiple extruded dough strips twist together to form Chinese mahua. Self-retracting mechanism clean weeds in tight spaces. Livestock feed gets aligned by futuristic robot. Harmful weeds are autonomously identified and killed by flamethrower. Self-loading machine transport collected hydroponic trays to processing line. Oscillating grillage of sharp blades cut uniform fish slices. Organized moving parts mold hanger of metallic strip. Matched operator and machine speeds result in uninterrupted chain production. Portable milking robot hygienically milk cow teats. spring-controlled uniform torque tightens firmly gripped bottle cap on process line. Stone shaker vibration separate stone grit sizes according to wire mesh filters. Rotating oblique disc actuates radially arranged pistons to perform wavy motion. Regular oscillatory tool motion cut radial gear teeth. Twisting thin amidst thick wires form barbed wire. Engraved templates on inversely rotating shafts forge ingots into shape. Sheet force pressing in between two matching tools forms desired part. Reciprocating identical tools cuts in unison during forward stroke. Rotating toothed tool machine bevel gear.